In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to play Roblox on an iPhone using a PS4, PS5 or Xbox controller. First, make sure your controller is Bluetooth enabled and fully charged. For PS4 or PS5 controllers, hold the Share plus PS button until the light bar starts flashing. For Xbox controllers, press and hold the pair button until the light blinks. Now on your iPhone, open Settings, enable Bluetooth. Wait for controller to appear under Other Devices. Tap it to pair. Once it says connected, you are ready to go. Open the Roblox app on your iPhone. When you load into a game that supports controllers, your joystick and buttons should automatically work. You can move your character, jump, and interact without touching the screen. If your controller is not responding, close and reopen Roblox. Make sure you are on the latest version of iOS and Roblox. Disconnect and reconnect the controller through Bluetooth settings. Note, all Roblox games support controllers, so if it does not work in one game, try another to confirm it's working. And that's it. That's how you play Roblox on iPhone with a PS4, PS5 or Xbox controller. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.